everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your cloth face mask. A lot of people don't know how to properly clean it, so I'll be going over the steps so you can get it looking great again. Just before we get started, I happen to view this metric right here. A lot of people watching my videos are not subscribed yet, which, that's a little disappointing. So maybe if you want to try and, balance those numbers, why don't you hit the subscribe button below, and, it'll probably put a smile on my face, so there's a reason to do it and to stay up with my videos. But anyways, all right, so what you're going to need for this cleaning process is first your face mask. Second, you're going to need a sink or a shower somewhere where you can wash it. And the final thing you need, go find some dish soap from your kitchen or from the store, but that's a final product you need, so let's get right into it. Right, so I'm at my sink, I have my mask, and I also have my soap. What you want to do first is you're going to be cleaning the inside pretty much, because that's where your mouth's going to be, right? So what you want to do is turn on hot water and soak this. After soaking, you're going to take your soap, I can never say that word so hard, and you just need a little bit in here, maybe like a drop or two, something like that. You don't need a lot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your fingers pretty much and just sort of massage it into the whole face mask. You might need more depending on the size. This one's a little bigger, but after you're done massaging the soap in, just give it a minute or two just to sit. And then once that's done, you can turn on your hot water and rinse all the soap out. Once all the soap is out, what you want to do is actually hang this somewhere to dry. So, that's not the perfect spot. I normally like to do it on a door handle or something, but a lot of people don't know that you should hang it to dry. Don't put it in the dryer. Don't do any of that, because that wrecks the material. Hang it to dry. When it's dry, you can reuse it and go from there. Anyways, that's a video. Hope you like that tip. Just a quick little process on cleaning your mask. Now, if you have sweat stains or anything, you might have to use like an old toothbrush or your nails to sort of dig that out. But that's a process. Just hang it to dry. You're all good. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, I appreciate the subscribe. But again, that's up to you. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.